haunted.
I thought you guys were saying a sentence.
There is an old woman. No, an old man.
Oh, that makes it so much scarier.
And his wife.
Wait, the woman and his wife?
An old man and his wife. Okay. One day, the old man killed his wife.
And came down.
Why can't the wife kill the man?
And came down to
The
the campsite in Malibu.
Are you serious? You want me nightmares? You want me pee all over you? Pee?
To kill every camper
That poop.
with hair longer than their ears.
Your hair's longer than
Yeah, it's
That
gonna
was
pass.
sleeping. that was sleeping in the tent with a hatchet.
Oh my gosh, there he is! It's Max.
And he would unzip your tent slowly and go start from the back and work their way.
Hey.
And cut your heads to collect them. To put in his house.
And cut the other person's foot off and stick their toe in there.
He's right there. Ew.
Oh, you killed him. It was getting good and you wanted to say something stupid.
Alright, cut their head off and save them.
Was that a question?
Would you
Cut
say
their head off
cut their head off
and collected them for his house.
so he wouldn't feel lonely when there's
Throw him in the
nobody
fire,
to talk
man.
to.
You diaper?
What is this, a suicidal, depressing story?
At times, he would come and stay out of people's tents.
This is
But only
scary.
for short times when it wasn't hot.
What the heck?
Okay, this is
Weird.
It's like scary. We can't talk about okay, how do you make this scary? There's gotta be like a backstory to it.
Let's rap.
Oh, yeah.
We're sitting by the fire, telling retarded stories. Build a tower.
Here we are in Malibu.
And Kathleen has to poo.
Bored and don't know what to do. Trying to rap, but we sound like cat.
Just like the smell of Kathleen's poo.
So what was it?
Well, so none of you guys become rappers, okay?
Say a story.
No, that's, you can't make it serious.
Alright, so I'm trying to tell my own.
Alright, tell your own serious story.
Okay, go Mikey.
What's the name of this campsite?
Malibu.
It's Point Mugu.
Point Mugu. Point Mugu.
You, shut up about poop.
Staring at you.
Off your shoe.
It was a little girl.
Got my
Her
fire.
name was Lily.
Got my fire.
She went camping
Why are you
here
copying the book?
at Point Mugu. One night, she went to the restroom
Take a poo.
to take a poo. And
Only when she opened the door,
when she opened the door to go
there
back
wasn't
to
a
her tent,
toilet,
there was a man
and he was
standing
dead.
right in front of her with a knife and killed her.
And then took a poo.
And then took her back to his house. And then the cops found her.
Oh.
The cops found
Not
him.
the cops.
And ever
Cop,
since
cop, cop.
everything happened, this campsite's been haunted.
By the girl in the bathroom.
After the cops showed up.
You can have the old man kill the cops too.
Have Jason kill him with a spear.
No. Lily's spirit.
Ah.
Lily's spirit haunts this campsite at night. Every day, every time.
Darn, I have to poo. Does that mean I'm gonna die?
So
The
good.
cops will
time
find you.
Every night when someone sleeps, she
You hear the plop.
On their air mattress, right next to you, and waits till you go to the restroom to take a poo.
Why is this all about pooping?
Seriously,
I say we're sick with the rapping.
Okay, the go, rap.
Here we are in Malibu. We're really bored and don't know what to do.
So we sit around and talk about poo.
Trying to rap with someone's cat.
And I want to hit you with my shoes.
Don't do that, fool.
Oh, look at the
The
stars.
lantern. The lantern.
They're both
Bored and do not know what to do.
Did it die?
We're supposed to eat beef stew.
Oh, yeah.
It's in there.
Ruby was supposed to eat beef stew.
Cắt trong cái
What happened with the speakers, Fred?
We're making our,
We're
making our own-
rapping.
We're making our own rap right now.
Rap is way
Did you
better.
hear it?
Here, okay, restart it. For him to
We
hear.
are in Malibu. We're really bored and we don't know what to do. We're trying to rap, but we sound like crap.
What do you have to say about that?
What?
It rhymes, okay?
Yeah, it does. That. Okay.
Mikey, you have your phone on you?
He doesn't care.
It's dead.
As I look into the fire and see the log, it doesn't remember of the hot dog I had for dinner.
The log reminds you of the hot dog. Meatballs.
Spaghetti and meatballs.
Peanut butter jelly time.
When we got here the other day.
Rewind.
We will
We will.
rock you.
Apparently we can do karaoke.
Alright. Alright.
Mama,
Think of,
kill the
Okay.
man.
make a rap. Well, like, not a rap, but just like make up like 2 or 3 lines that have to, that rhyme or sound like the word, camp. Can you do that?
No, I have blonde in me.
Alright, huh? Thank you, do that.
Oh yeah, thanks.
Yeah. 3 lines. Like, that rhyme
Can
with
you
camp.
use the word camp?
Yeah. But that's, like, you can say that in the first line, but then you have to make up like 2.
Before I got here, I was hitting the ramps. Then went to Albertson to get some food stamps.
You have to say
On
that.
my way back home, I was getting some cramps.
That was my experience. Yeah,
Alright, good, that's good.
Now you go, hurry up.
No, I'm organizing. Alright. You want to try?
Sitting around at the camp.
No, not camp. Yeah, I give you a different word.
Oh, okay.
Anything besides
Okay.
camp.
Yeah, so like, how about tent? If that's too hard, I'll try to think of something else.
Tent. Let's see. Smells so good inside the tent because at home dog peed in the air vent.
That's good.
So,
Oh,
yeah.
there you go.
Something that can't.
Thank goodness I don't celebrate Lent.
He's like, yeah.
This morning I went and rode on my bike.
What word are you using?
Later on, I went up a hill on a hike.
It's a Mike and Ike's.
That's it.